In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to find and replace text within a file using Unix or Linux command. So they're going to use their segment terminal, and here if I write this percent working directory, so this is the percent working directory is there. So they're going to use the file emp.csv. So that we need to change the directory first. So that here going to use cd command, and let's paste. To change the directory, we need to give there backward slash. So if I write there pwd, then percent working directory that's come inside row underscore data. If I write there ls command, then you can see this bunch of file that's available. And if I write there cat emp.csv, so here you can see this is the content inside this file. So here going to replace the text within a file. So that going to use their set command, and we need to write there as, so going to replace this clerk. So let's write there clerk, C-L-E-A-R-K, clerk, and this clerk that's going to replace by HR. So new string that's come HR. After that, close with a single quote, and let's write there emp csv. So this CSV, now press enter. So here you can see wherever the contents that's HR, clerk. So clerk content that's replaced by HR. So here this is clerk is replaced by HR. So this is temporarily saved there. If I write again cat command, here you can see this is clerk that's come there. So HR is not there. So what we need to do? So to save the contents, we need to write there -i. So -i. So now if you press enter, so this is now wherever that font clerk that's here permanently or replaced with the HR. So if I write cat, here you can see this replaced with the HR. Okay. So wherever now file contains that's replaced with the HR. So if you want to check the manually, so let's go on this emp csv. Here you can see this HR that's come there. The next is here you can see set command. The full form is stream editor, and when you are using I, so save back to the original file, and S that stand for the substitute command. Okay. So this important point is there, and here I'm using this clerk and HR. So this is old string and this is new string. Now thereafter, to replace the file content in some particular line, like I want to change the content till 1 to 10. So 1 comma, then let's write there 10. So till 10 lines, this gonna replace the content. So that here this is old string is now HR, and let's replace with the cells only. So wherever that font there cells, that's replaced there. Now let's use G. So G is for globally. Press enter. Control C that's going to use. Maybe some I did the mistake there. So set -i, and this here +1, 1 and is HR. And let's here I did one thing. This is a single quote is there, so we need to close the single quote this place. Okay, so this is the mistake is there. So what we need to do, let's write there set, then -i, then double quote 1, and till 10 lines going to replace, and then after S, and here the string is HR is there. So old string, and we need to give the new strings. So let's give their cells, and G for global, and let's close there and give the file name emp.csv. Now here till 10 lines that's replaced there. So let's use cat command. Here you can see this says that's come there, and now if you can't, this replace only till 10 lines. So total is I think 40 or 50 lines is there. So if you want to replace till 50 lines, so you need to give there 15 plus 15. Now if I write there cat command, so let's use their cat command emp csv. Now this all HR that's replaced there. So this is how we can replace any string with the new string or any text with the new text using Unix command. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.